So welcome to the Techy Roque. You're watching this video, and in this video we'll talk about the top 6 steps for you to learn programming and for doing some coding for it. And these are 6 steps for your Android phone that will help you the most. And our first step is Solo Learn and the CPP Droid, Programming Hub, Decoder, CodeGena, and Mimo. Solo Learn, Programming Hub, and the Mimo app is for you to learn programming, and CPP Droid, Decoder, and CodeGena will help you to do some exercises and make some projects in it. So let's first talk about the Solo Learn. So in this is the Solo Learn. Here's the course. You can choose anyone and take a certificate in it. And if you want to code, this option is for you. Just click on add your code and now choose any language like C, and let's get started. Here you can enter your code and you can run your projects from here. Learn, you can do it. So now our next step for learning programming is Programming Hub. New course, you need to create an account for it, and as you can see, here's the free course in it, and here's the web development option from all the courses, app development, and for the beginners, IT basics, HTML, C++, all other courses that you want, you need it, all you can learn from here. Mimo, here you can also learn programming with also some security, cyber security. Just click on the explore, and here you can learn anything like make a website, C, Ruby, Python, SQL, all you need. Java is here. The Git, there's also codes for the Git and for the command line. It's also best up for learning, but it's not for you doing some codes in it. It will not help you for doing some practices in it and other. So now for you to doing practices, the CPP Droid is the best step for it. But CPP Droid is only for the C and C++ language. And here as you can see the simple and the nice interface of it. So I just click on save, compile, finish, just click on the run, and as you can see the runtime program is running. For doing some practices and make our projects is the decoder, but decoder can't help you to run the runtime program. So as you can see, decoder will help you to make any projects on it like C++, Object-C, Ruby, Python 3, and here also a special language as you can see. So our next step is for doing some practices and projects is CodeGena. Mine is CodeGena Pro. CodeGena Pro is paid app. You can try the free version of it, and here as you can see how many languages are there: computer graphics, C, Python, microprocessor system, programming, assembly, OS, AI. Just click on anything. And you can check out. It will give that of, like if you click on the C, click on the arrays, and here's the program. This is not for you to learn. This is only for the learning purpose. This app is only for learning purpose, not for you to doing some projects and other. So just we click on this program, calculate sum and average of an array. So it will give you the coding. You can try it your own, or you can download. Available on the Play Store. Just go to the Play Store and you can find this is the Solo Learn app. This is the CodeGena app, Mimo app, and the programming hub. That's the programming hub app. And our next, like this is the CPP droid and the decoder. Decoder basically a decoder compiler ID. So thanks for watching this video. All the links of this app you will gain in the description. So check out, like and thumbs up this video.